Are you a fitness lover who aspires to build six-pack abs and bigger arms? If so, a dip bar is the perfect equipment to achieve your goals. Trainer suggests that regular workout sessions with a mounting bar can help you in the faster building of lens muscles. If you are not a big fan of lifting weights, then a deep stand station is the best option for you. So let's go. Number 1. Most popular, ProsourceFit Deep Stand Station. Train yourself and build a strong upper body with this robust dip bar. It is ideal for all body heights as you can adjust the bar height between 31 to 35 inches. Each bar has 24 inches width that allows you to perform all types of upper core strengthening exercises, including push-ups, classic dips, and more. Thanks to the top quality powder-coated iron material, this fitness tool is solid and lasts for years. In addition, its rubber feet and stabilizing safety connector provide adequate support. Number 2. Amazon Basics Dip Fitness Bar. This dip bar is perfect for performing tricep dips, leg raises, knee raises, and more similar fitness exercises. Since it is built from high-quality steel material, it is robust and durable for years. Besides, the foam-made non-slip handles allow you a solid and comfortable grip on the dip bar. With a compact dimension of 34.25 by 32.5 by 38.4 inches, this mounting bar is lightweight and convenient to move from one place to another. Number 3. BalanceFrom Multifunction Dip Stand. Maintain your upper body and core strength with this multifunctional dip bar. It is crafted from heavy-duty steel material which makes it dent-resistant and long-lasting. You can also prevent serious injuries while exercising using its foam-padded handle that allows a comfortable grip on the bar. Hence, these features make your workout safe and painless. Some other significant features of this dip bar are its adjustable height and compact size that make it easy to store. Number 4. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life. This dip stand is ideal for performing chest, arms, and leg exercises. Thanks to its heavy-duty steel base, it is robust, durable, and can withstand weight up to 300 pounds. You can also adjust the height of the bar in between the range of 31 to 35 inches. Besides, its soft handle allows you a comfortable and firm grip on the dip bar. It also has a safety connector with 4 holes that can be adjusted for extra support and stability during a workout. Number 5. Yoleo Adjustable Dip Bar. This dip bar is perfect for in-home as well as commercial gyms. Its unique design and safety stabilizer prevent wobbling or slipping so that you have a stable base to perform all your workouts safely. Made from heavy-duty steel material, this dip bar has a solid build that will remain durable for years. It also features a 1.5 mm thick tube with a padded handle that gives you a comfortable and powerful grip. On top of that, you can adjust the bar height as well as width and perform multiple exercises, including reverse push-ups, dips, leg raises, and more.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.